Hi, I'm Pat. Okay, in this group of problems, what they're asking us is to find the unknown angles of the triangle described. And for this one that we'll work on together, here's the description, is that it's a right triangle, and the one acute angle is 9 times the other acute angle. And the way that I would approach this is to give myself a quick little sketch. All right, so you can see that I've drawn a right triangle. But even in doing this, don't feel that your drawing needs to be very accurate. What I mean by that is that, sure, I did make it a right triangle just for my own visualization, but one acute angle being 9 times as big as the other one, I don't think I hit that. Like this bigger one is not quite 9 times as big as this smaller one, okay? But that doesn't matter. You just give yourself a little bit of scratch work, something to look at, and something to label, and that's what I'll do next here, is try to label this using that information that they've provided. So what did they provide? The one acute angle, maybe I'll point to this one first. The one acute angle is 9 times the size of this other angle. So let's label this angle just x degrees. Okay, I made that up. But what I do know from the description is that this other angle then must be 9 times x degrees. Okay? And that's where it's important that you're expressing or representing the description that they've given you, not that your drawing's accurate, okay? But the drawing's enough for me to now know that if this is a right triangle and I've got the 90 degrees here, that the 90 degrees plus the 9x plus the x degrees, you remember the sum of your angles is 180 degrees. So for me, the 9x degrees plus the 1x degrees must equal 90 degrees. Okay? Now I know you heard me say 180 degrees, but don't forget we've already got 90 degrees accounted for. It's in fact always with a right triangle, the other two angles, the acute ones, will add up to 90 degrees. Okay? And now you've got some algebra. So we'll do some algebra here and just get 10x equals 90. I'll drop that degree symbol. X equals 9. Wasn't bad at all. And now realize, though, that you've done some good algebra, but the question asked us to find those unknown angles. So what we now know is that the one, I'll say, so one acute angle is 9 degrees. And are you with me there? We found x equals 9, and one of our angles was labeled as x degrees. So one angle is 9 degrees, and the other acute angle is, you can look to your drawing if it helps, but 9 times x, my x is 9, so 81 degrees. Okay? I hope that helped. Each problem's going to be a little bit different, of course, but use these strategies and you'll get through it.